Not washing your hands is unsanitary. Outdated food will make you sick. Injuries can occur when not being careful. Food is contaminated with blood now. Turning heat too high will result in a fire. Expired meat can make you very sick. Not checking if meat is cooked fully is bad. Meat is still raw. Never touch a hot surface with your hands. Always turn off the stovetop when done. Never eat raw food. It will make you sick.
Be sure to wash your hands with warm water before you start cooking. Check the expiration date on each item. Rinse your vegetables. Use precise knife cuts with your fingers out of the way. Add water to the pot. Turn on the stove to the appropriate temperature. Wait for the water to boil. Add your food once the water is hot enough. Check the expiration date on the meat. Carefully add oil to a pan. Turn the stove to the appropriate heat for the oil. Hot oil is dangerous, so be sure to use caution. Carefully add meat to the hot pan. Ensure the meat is fully cooked by using a thermometer. Turn off the stovetop. Use a spatula to move the hot food to a plate. Make sure to clean your mess. Take small bites to avoid choking and enjoy your meal.